Welcome to my review of the Landzo Raspberry Pi 4 case. I ordered this red and white case as a possible replacement case to house my Raspberry Pi 4 computer in, along with the Pi Moroni fan shim that I'm using to cool it. Although I ordered the case along with several other items from Amazon, the Landzo case arrived separately without the benefit of being protected by a box. Sadly, I found that the case had been cracked during shipping. The teeth on the case's 4 clips are rather long, and once the 2 parts of the case are snapped together, the case feels sturdy, but after it is assembled, I found it difficult to take apart again. The case is attractive and looks like it provides adequate ventilation. It has all the correct holes where they should be, and the Raspberry Pi 4 fits tightly into the case. The access to the SD card works well and better than some cases I own. This version of the case didn't come with a fan, and unfortunately, it also didn't come with the 4 tiny screws required to mount the board. As I had hoped, I believe that the Landzo case looks good alongside the keyboard, mouse, and cables that come with the Raspberry Pi 4 computer desktop kit. In conclusion, I'd only recommend this case for those who want a ventilated case to go with the color scheme of the Raspberry Pi 4 computer desktop kit. Even then, they'd have to get the version that provides the fan and the mounting screws. Also, they shouldn't be planning on opening the case very often. Thank you for your interest. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus, don't forget to check out my other videos. So until next time, goodbye.